In this SellMeThisPen AI review, I'm going to be showing you an AI platform that can help you with sales coaching, and also they are going to be giving you a real-time assistance on your sales call. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review, as I'm going to showing you a complete tutorial on SellMeThisPen AI. So I'm going to be showing you the tutorial of SellMeThisPen AI later in the video. But now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say about this product. So it is best for entrepreneur, curious, SaaS, sales manager, and you can do integrations with HubSpot and Salesforce. You can also do integrations with Zoom and Google Meet. I'm going to be showing that later in the video. And the features included are AI. So it says here it lets you role play different sales scenario, which is also I'm going to be showing you in the video. You can set up scenarios based on your product and ideal customer profile. You can practice your pitch and handle objection. Okay, so this is like a screenshot that is provided. I'm going to be doing a call with one of the AI agent later in the video. Okay, and it is you can automatically flag if you're talking too much. You can get access to pre-built playbook as well. So this is like the analytics board of SellMeThisPen. You can get a score of the call after the call has been done. You will get a detailed analytics on how good the call was. So these are some of the features and plans. So as you all know, you will get a lifetime access to SellMeThisPen AI. And you also get a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, if you have used the product for 60 days and if you don't like it, you can always choose to return it back to them. So the major features included in the plan are playbooks, behavioral tips, automated battle cards, and you get AI coach advice on areas of improvement. You get role play default scenarios, and also you can integrate with Salesforce and HubSpot. And the license tier that's included, the first license tier 1 is you will get 2 hours per month for the AI role play practice, and you get 20 hours per month real-time assistant, and you get a 20 hour per month for the post-call coaching. So on the license tier 2 and license tier 3, you get a lot of hours. So if you're serious about SellMeThisPen, I think you should go with this license tier 2 and 3. But if you want to just start out, I guess license tier 1 is all good. Before we jump into the tutorial, I would like to mention that there is a affiliate link in the video description. So if you want to buy SellMeThisPen AI, make sure you guys buy it from my link, as it can give me a small commission, which kind of motivates me to make these informative videos every single day. Now let's get back to the tutorial. As you can see, this is the dashboard of SellMeThisPen AI, and you can get this interface by clicking this AI role play right over here. So this is what you're going to be getting, and I can get on a call with Chiral in 7 minutes, which is an AI person. I can get on a call with him, and this is how I can improve my sales skills. So this is the kind of scenario that is given. Before that, if you want to change this person, all you have to do is just reload the page. As you can see, this is another AI person, and it is Jennifer. So let's go with her. And this is my scenario. So the scenario is that when I get with the call with Jennifer, what I have to do is I have to book a meeting with her later after this call. So that is my end goal. And the goal is to tell her how good my product is about and get a meeting with her later. So that is what I have to do in the call, and that will likely improve my sales skills as well. I'm going to be going on a call with her now. Before that, this is the call type in which you can customize the cold call scenario. So this is your buyer persona, the call type, and the product description. And this is the scenario that I have mentioned. You can have a look at it. And also you can refresh to a default prompt. So suppose if you have edited this a little bit, you can refresh it back to the default prompt. So you can do that as well. I'm not going to be editing this. I'm going to be keeping the scenario same itself. And also you can get some tips to build your own prompt. So if you click on that, you'll go to this page and you can get some good idea about creating your own prompt. So I suggest you guys have a look at this. Now let's get back. Now let's hop on a call with Jennifer.
Jennifer speaking.
Hey Jennifer, how are you? It's been a while.
Hey there, I'm good, thanks. How can I help you today?
See, I want to tell you about this amazing product which I want to show you. Would you mind giving me your time?
Look, thanks for sharing, but we really don't have budget for such solution right now. Can you tell me if there are any companies similar to ours using your product?
No, it's not about the budget. It's not that much.
Can you email me some information and we'll take it from there?
Yeah,
Also, can you provide some references from companies like ours that are using your product?
Yes, I can. See, AppSumo is now using SellMeThisPen AI, which is great, right?
I'm not sure how that relates to our company. Can you explain how your product can specifically help us?
No, this product can help your team to build your sales skills, and also it can help you. Suppose if you are on a sales call, it can give you some sales tip as well. It has helped hundreds of people. It has a lot of reviews. This product has a lot of reviews. Many people are amazed about this product. So why aren't you so amazed?
Look, I don't think we can allocate any budget for such solution at the moment. Can you provide more information on how this product has specifically helped companies like ours?
Okay, I'm going to be ending the call now. So after you have entered the call, you can see your result over here. So I'm going to be clicking on the results. So that's my call score, and I have only got 5%. Seems like I'm just a bad sales guy. It doesn't matter anyway. So I have just called 5% for my call score, and also I didn't go for long. It was just a short. It was just a short call. I ended it very soon. So that's it. So this is how you can improve your sales skills by talking with this AI role play, which was great. You also get the transcript of the talking. See, this is what I have said, and so that's it. And they also have all these things. See, so they have a detailed analytics to how your call was. So you can have a look at all that, and that's it. So now let's go to the dashboard. So in the dashboard, they shows you my overall call score and the average talk ratio, basically all the analytics. You can have a look at that. Then they show you the practice strike and all that. Now comes the meetings, in which they show you all the meetings that you have attended. So you can filter the calls by role play. You can filter it by any of them. So like that you can get the call that you have got. And now comes playbook, in which you can add a new playbook if you want. And also you can go through the prompts. You can go to all the prompts, and also there are tips. So tips is one of the most impressive features of SellMeThisPen AI. So you will get amazing tips when you are on a sales call on Google Meet and Zoom. So this is one of the automated tips that you are going to be getting. So you'll get a tip when you talk too much, and you'll get a tip when 5 minutes left before the call ends, and also you'll get a tip when you interrupt a client while they speak. So you get these amazing tips, and also you get these other tips as well while you're on a call on Google Meet and Zoom. So I'm going to be showing you on a Google Meet how you can do that. So suppose what's the price, if they ask you what's the price, you'll get a tip immediately saying this thing, so you can respond it back to them. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can get these tips. Okay, so first of all, you have to download SellMeThisPen on your Google extension on the Chrome Web Store. So you have to add this to your extension, and now you have to go to Google Meet and you have to start a meeting. So I'm gonna start a meeting right now. So as you guys can see, I'm on the meeting. So you get this SMTP discovery in which you can select a playbook also. So that is amazing. So the tips will be pop up over here. So suppose if they are saying something like, what's the price? See, I got a tip saying it depends, but typically it's between X and Y. Say nothing else. So this is like a tip that I have got. So there are other tips as well. Okay, suppose okay, they are telling like this. So the price is too expensive. As you can see, I have got another tip from SellMeThisPen. So this is like one of the most impressive features of SellMeThisPen. So you can get these tips while you're on a sales call on Zoom or Google Meet. And this is like one of the features that stands out the most. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of SellMeThisPen AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.